This right here, as you all know, is RM22. What makes this thing so great? Here are some of our favorite things about this ride.
This is, like I always say, the heart of the beast. We really put a lot of attention to detail in the engine bay and the engine. This is a Blueprint Engines 427. It is a bad boy of an LS engine. It's got a Magnuson Supercharger, 427 cubic inches. So this block is actually sleeved to get that big bore and stroke. All forged internals, 11:1 compression, but this thing still runs on 91 pump gas. We wanted to really keep a classic 69 Chevelle look with this car. We wanted it to be unmistakable. They nailed it so well from the factory with the design cues that we didn't want to change a lot on this car, but we wanted to upgrade all the little details. So we'll walk you through a little bit of what we did here today. In the front end, starting here, we basically used all original type Chevelle parts, with the only variance being that we went with upgraded LED headlights. All these trim parts are brand new. We did leave a couple of original parts from the car. This was a low mile original 69 Chevelle in really good shape. I think it had 50,000 original miles. And this blue badge was in great shape from the factory. This is an original GM part, so we left that. And the front bumper. There's nothing like good old 1969 American chrome. A modern reproduction just wasn't gonna cut it. This was in such good shape. We were glad to reuse it. We went American Racing. This is a forged two-piece wheel. We did 18 by 9.5s in the front and 18 by 11s in the back. So they both have 5.5 inch back spacing. That is about the biggest wheel, the widest wheel you can get on a stock A-body Chevelle. We did not mini tub this car, but it does squeeze 315 wide rear tires, 275s up front. Falcon Azenis tires. This is a really good high performance tire. It helps put the power down. They feel real stable even around turns. Going to the suspension, this has pretty much everything QA1 offers for bolt-on suspension for a GM A-body. Tubular upper and lower control arms, double adjustable front coilovers. In the back, it also has adjustable upper and lower control arms. Those are also tubular. Starting with the steering wheel, this is like kind of the centerpiece of the interior. This is from SPARC Industries. It was machined out of a solid piece of billet aluminum, really high-end feel, wrapped in leather, and of course a custom RM logo on the horn button. And then some of the other stuff you interact with, obviously the stick shift. So the shifter handle is actually from Sport Transmissions, and the knob is from Locar. This is a brushed billet knob, kind of ties in with everything. Same thing in the gauges. We went with an Autometer gauge setup. This is their American Muscle series. So this has both brushed and polished finishes on it. Ties in with everything else. Great way to keep track of all your vitals.
Big thanks to Esparza for telling us all the greatest things about this car. Now you know our favorite things. Let us know in the comments underneath this video, what are your favorite things about this one-of-a-kind 1,000 horsepower supercharged drivable work of art that Esparza and his team spent 2 years putting together so we could offer it to you at RestoMods. Or just head over to RestoMods.com and claim those entries, and we could be putting you in the driver's seat or 100 grand in your pocket, but you've got to act fast. This is the last day to get entered to this, and in just a couple days, we'll be calling a winner. Is it going to be you? Good luck.